Editing our page for our masterclass. So right now we have our title, we have an image that's out there of our researcher and our educator, and we have the date and we have the different times. So we have our online discussion group, and then we need to edit this part here that's talking about the course. So I'm going to hit on there, and I'm going to go ahead and change this stuff. So I'm going to move that out. And I'm going to copy from a document that I already have. So let me go over to my document. And here's a description of what the course is. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it into here. I just copied Command C, Command V, and there it is. Under syllabus, we're going to have, let's go ahead and put down who our researcher is and our educator. So I am going to go to the description again, and we have Dr. Mary Albert, and we have Louise Huffman. So Dr. Mary Albert is, let's see, I'm going to just go ahead and copy her name. Let me go back over to here, and I'm going to take it off of this document. Go Dr. Mary Albert. Researcher can be, I'm not going to do that bold. I'm just going to do it regular. And educator Louise Huffman will be teaming up to present a masterclass. And then for educators, a deeper way to reach learners of all levels. And then for researchers, let's go back over to what the general description is for researchers. And for researchers who are interested in improving their science communication skills. Okay, so let's see here. I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Let's just put this class, we're going to leave it more generic this time. We'll discuss techniques, and then I'm going to move this and paste the rest. It's for improving. Let's just change that to for improving, and let's get rid of the bold. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a link. So let's add media. And let's just do a link to existing media. I think we can do that. Let's try it out. So I'm going to put detailed syllabus. And I'm going to go ahead and link to existing content, and let's see if we can find it. I just uploaded it, so let me think of what I called it when I uploaded it. I will find that document, and I called it ICE Core Masterclass Syllabus. So let's look for that. Search ICE Core. Let's see if it's finding it. ICE Core. Maybe I need to back up my title again of that document, and there's a dash in there, so I'm going to go ahead and look for that ICE Core. It's not finding it, so I'm going to cancel that. Let's see if we can add media. Add media, and here it is. And then attachment, media file, size medium. Yeah, let's go ahead and just insert it that way and see what happens. There it is. And I'm going to go ahead and just move that out of the way. And that was super simple. And I can go ahead and edit this and make it a little bit bolder. Let's make that heading 4 so it'll turn out as a bolder thing and they'll find it. So I'm going to save that part of the page. And so far we have this now, and now we're going to go down and we're going to edit these. So I'm going to go ahead and click on each one of these. And what I want to do is remove that. So I can click on it and I'm going to delete it. And then I'm going to insert a new one. So I'm going to add media. I'm going to go and upload files. I'm going to select my files. And I have some images on here. Let me make these so I can see them a little bit better. I think this one is the one with Dr. Albert. Open that, upload it, and it's gonna upload a second. And I have that information. We want to center it. We want to do a thumbnail, I think. That's what we want to do. So let's go ahead and insert it into post. And we'll see what it looks like. Yep, that looks pretty good. Now we're going to go ahead and add the information about our scientist. So I'm going back to the text that I received. And we're going to start adding it. I have researcher. There's her title. That doesn't need to be all caps, but we'll go ahead and just start putting all that stuff in there. And see, researcher, Dr. Mary Albert, and finish pasting that in. I'm going to move it back, space, and space, and then let's just leave it like that, and then we can clean it up later and see what it looks like. Then I'm going to go ahead and paste the rest of the information about her bio. So I'm going to go ahead and copy all of this and Command C. We're going to leave this in here. See where it says read more, read less? That's a cool trick, and I'll show you what it looks like. So let's go ahead and delete that. Let's put this here, Command V, and I have the read more, read less. And so it ends there. And so what this does is only show a little bit of the bio on the page so it's not too crowded. And then it adds the rest of the stuff when you click on read more. So what we're going to do is go ahead and kind of stop this right here, I think. This would be the read more. Just have a basic introduction. So I'm going to go Command X, and then I'm going to move this up here. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of this. So read more, read less. We can actually put that on a new line. And then we're going to close that out. And we're going to save it, and we'll see what it looks like. So when we have this now, you can see this title is super, super long. So we probably want to edit that, and then it goes down to read more. When we click on read more, it's going to show the rest of her bio when we're on the page. So let's go back and let's change this. This is exactly what it says right down here. That's right up there. So I'm going to go ahead and just delete it out of her title and make it look cleaner on the website. And now I'm going to hit save. And this looks nice and clean. So we're going to do the same thing with Louise Huffman's, and I'll run through it one more time. If you've got it, you don't have to watch the rest of this video. So I'll click on this and it'll bring up the edit screen. I'm going to delete that. I'm going to add media, and I'm going to upload the file. So I'm going to select a file, and I'm going to find Louise's picture that she sent. Open. And then we're going to go ahead and make it a thumbnail. I asked for some higher resolution pictures, and you can see why. So if I get those, I will replace them later, but we're going to go ahead and insert it into the post like it is. And you know what? I really don't like that picture. It's too dark and I can't see anything very well. I'm going to delete it and use a different picture that we have of Louise. So let's try this. I know we have some other pictures of Louise, so I'm going to go add media, and then I'm going to look through some other pictures that we have in our media and scroll down, and I believe I saw one. I think we can search too. There. Let's search on Louise and see what we can come up with. Oh, there's a much better picture. Let's use that one, and then we're going to go down instead of full size. Oh, I don't have it as a thumbnail, so maybe we won't use that one. We don't even have it big enough for a thumbnail. And look what it's going to do when it's a thumbnail, so that's not good. Let's try and upload a different file. So let's select files. I do have this other one of Louise from the flyer. I'm going to open that. I don't know if this is big enough either. I don't think it is. Let's open, upload, and oh yeah, this one looks better. Let's take this one off. Let's go down to thumbnail, and we're going to insert it into post. That one looks so much better. Okay, now we're going to go back and we're going to delete this. We're going to go back to the bios I have, and I'm going to put down Louise Huffman's. I don't think we need all caps, but I'll go ahead and copy it for now. And then we're going to move it back to the title and fix that. And fix this. And Master of Science. I think that goes like that. And then it goes, oops, capital ED. There we go. And there's a space there. Master of Science. No, I don't think there is. And now I'm going to add the rest of her stuff. And I'm going to take that, copy it all, and Command C. We're going to take it down to read more, read less. Delete that, Command V. Then we're going to, let's go ahead and put let's go ahead and delete that, space it, and then under read more, read less, I'm going to go ahead and start right here and cut that out. Then I'm going to bring it down here. Oops, I didn't get it all. Let's undo a minute. I forgot some of her stuff. Yeah, there we go. Let's cut it there. Command X. And I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this on our old page. And then I'm going to Command V. And we should have it. What I'm noticing here is this really isn't a link. So I'm going to turn it into a link. So I'm going to exit out of there. And I'm going to just put that here. I'm going to insert a link. And then I'm going to put in that link. And I'm going to put in the settings, open in a new tab, and update. And now we're going to save it. So now what we have is Louise and Mary. You can see they don't quite match up, so I think what I'm going to do is edit this one more time to try and bring these down into the same area. So maybe another sentence or so. So if I edit it one more time, and I'm going to, let's see here, move this up. Let's go ahead and just take this out here. Command X. Let's take that over to here. And try it here. And then I'm going to save it and see what it looks like. Perfect. Okay, and now what we can do, since we have everything on this page, we're going to say, I'm going to stop the video here, and then I will publish it on another one. So let's just do done now and save draft.